All right, welcome to slide number 7. We're going to write each word sentence as an inequality. The first one was done for us, so as an example. So a number h is less than 8. So we have h. We're not sure what number it is. We just know that we can fill in any number for h as long as it's less than 8. So remember back in the beginning we were talking about how they're not equal. This h can equal any number that's less than 8. It can be a 7, it can be a 5, it can be a 4, it can be a negative number. As long as it's less than 8, then it will be true to this inequality right here and what we're talking about. So now we have the sum of 3 and y. So sum means we're adding. So 3 plus y, and somehow I thought I had changed these. Let me change these to at least 16. Whoops, maybe even smaller than 16. Let's go 12. Okay, so now you can see it. The sum of 3 plus y is greater than, so let's look at our greater than symbol, than 10. That's how you would write this inequality. You have one side, then we talked about that words from our word bank, where we put all the different words or phrases with the inequality signs. This is one of those, greater than 10. I mean, it really kind of tells us what it is. So that's nice. It's nice when they make it easy. So now we have the product of 4 and b. Now product means multiplication. So 4 times b, and we can actually write them side by side like that. So that's 4 times b is less than or equal. So we have less than or equal to 24. So that's all we're doing is we're writing it the way it's written. We're turning it into what we call an algebraic expression from these words right here. And you're just writing it in these boxes as it's written. So the product of 4 and b, 4 times b, is less than or equal to, that's where that line comes underneath, 24. We have the number k is at least 25. So k is at least 25, which means that it's going to be 25 or greater. Because remember, if we go back to, remember I told you that word bank in that one slide you're going to have to probably refer to in order to decipher what everything's saying. And at that point it's at least or greater than 25. It looks like this symbol was actually used over here, so I'm not exactly sure why it's still there, but probably because it was a copy to show you. But this is how each symbol was used. These are the very simple type of word problems right here to show you how to create an algebraic expression or an inequality expression right here through the use of words and through setting it up in the expression form.